So now we will discuss efficiency of rectifiers. So now there are two types of rectifiers, half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. So firstly I will discuss efficiency of half wave rectifier. The efficiency of half wave rectifier is 40.6%. Now we will calculate this efficiency by using some formulas. So firstly we know that efficiency is equals to DC power divided by AC power. Now we will calculate this efficiency, that is 40.6% in the case of half wave rectifier. We know that DC power is equals to I square RL, where RL is the load resistance across which we get our DC output. This is your first equation. Now this I square DC can be written as I naught divided by pi. This is your second equation, and now here I naught is the peak value. So now we'll put 2 in 1, putting PDC is equals to I naught divided by pi square into RL, which implies PDC is equals to I naught square divided by pi square into RL, where RL is our load resistance. So now we will calculate our AC power. AC power is equal to I RMS square into small r plus capital RL. This small r is our resistance of diode. We can write RD, resistance of diode. That is our PA junction diode, and RL, as we know that RL is the value of load resistance. So again RMS can be written as I naught divided by 2. So this is the value of RMS, IRMS. Here again I naught is the peak value. So this is our equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now putting 4 in 3, we get power AC is equal to I naught divided by 2 square RD, that is our resistance of diode, plus RL, that is our load resistance. So now AC power is equals to I naught square divided by 4 RD plus RL. So this is our power AC and this is our power DC. And the formula is this: DC power divided by AC power. Now we have calculated AC power, which is this, and we have calculated the DC power, that is this. We will divide both of them to get the value of efficiency. So let us divide both the values. Here we will do it. Efficiency is equal to DC power, it is this. AC power, this. This will be cancelled out. Efficiency will be RL divided by pi square over divided by RD plus RL divided by 4. So now one thing you have to note here, the value of RD, that is a small RD, which is the resistance due to diode, is very less in comparison to our load resistance. So here RD can be neglected. So if we neglect this RD, we are left with only load resistance, which is again cancel out. So now we are left with 1 upon pi square divided by 1 upon 4. Here value of efficiency comes out to be 1 upon pi square into 4 by 1. So I am writing here at the top, efficiency is equals to 4 upon pi square, that is 0.406, and if we multiply it with 100, we get 40.6%.